How to download GTA San Andreas in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download GTA San Andreas in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, head over to the search bar and simply search for GTA San Andreas. After you search for it, you'll find GTA San Andreas by Netflix. You can open it up. So as you can see right here, you will actually need a Netflix account to be able to play this. So yeah, just download it. All you have to do is press on the download button, tap on install, and after doing that, you can download GTA San Andreas and you can play it, and that's basically it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.